Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take out the Fortec, do a little burn up these stock tires. They're getting pretty bald, so I figured I'd pull off the foams and see if we could just burn the rest of these up. Just running a 3S, a Wamfi. It's I think it's 60C. If I'm not mistaken, I can't remember what it is. Might be a 50C, but excuse me. But I got the GPS on. Let's see. We're going to 12. We got 12 satellites. We're going to do a track. Start. It's testing. So that means it's good to go. And I do have the Hobbywing Max 10 with a 3200 kV motor in it, and I wrote all this stuff down. I also have a 35 tooth pinion, 55 tooth spur, and I'm gonna try 43, 48 on my next ones after I'll go home and change all that stuff, because you can see I got to take a lot of stuff apart. And we'll try that and see what we can get on that kind of gearing. That's pretty fast setup there, I think. So, but we're just here to burn up some tires today, mess around, right? So let's just do that. Let's turn the cars on first, huh? Get set in the right spot. Oh, hang on, I forgot to put batteries in my controller. I'll be right back. All right, I got the ESC running on that. The fan hasn't kicked on yet because it's not hot enough. So good to go. Get it all turned on. I do have to take this one apart again when I did put a new servo in it. I put an Amazon special in it because for some reason, every time I ran this car, the steering would go out of whack. And I thought it was rocks, but we'll see. So I put a new servo in it. I had to grind things down and modify things to fit it. The Traxxas servos were just a little bit shorter. So let's see what she got here, huh? Let's get a good picture of it, huh? Floor. So she's running straight. A little to the right. Oh, and I'm on a new street, so we're trying to test this one out. And we got a lot of construction on it, but it seems like they take the street sweeper and clean it up a lot. But you can see the street sweeper right there behind the fence. So, but it does have a little, ooh, it's slick out here. There's a lot of dust. This car is just kind of crazy. It kind of just steers wherever it wants to. I don't know what it is. I do have a new steering bell crank for it to maybe get some bearings in there rather than bushings. But we'll see. And it just kind of does steer all over the place again. Yeah, just I'm not even touching that, and it's just, unless these tires are just so slick. That is the problem about the stock tires. They're a little slick for the streets. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's just crazy how all over the road it is. Oh, that's what I got, that little bump. Ah, we messed up the body. Crushed the body in again. As you can see, I got tape up there. It's the only way it holds up, but I'm sure it'll just pop right back up there. Yeah, there we go. I need a new body anyways. I got a little race body for it that I just need to paint up and stick on there. This one's getting pretty beat up. And Traxxas bodies are like 80 bucks, so we'll be going cheap again. Let's see what we've been getting though. Stop, read, it's 43. It's messing around. I can't get it to go straight with these stock tires, so it's reading. I'm gonna bring it back and turn down the It's like I might have lost a dog bone again or something. Morning, how you doing? Oh yeah, I made them a lot faster.
Looks like a Dukes of Hazzard car.
Just an orange Mustang. Alright, I can't get that thing to go straight fast, so